Alright, y'all. The sun ain't even out yet, you know what I'm saying? We're about to get started. Right? Got the boys here.
Bruh. Alright, so our channel has once again been hijacked.
Grind and shine!
Check it out. So we started the day traveling over to Kissimmee, Florida for this nice little gig. I believe it was a 1-year-old's birthday party. 1 year? 2 year? 1 year. 1 year old.
First year.
Yeah, her first year. So check this show out. It was pretty cool. Check it out. Well, plan B, according to these park rangers, rent-a-cop style, we can't have that. So yeah, we about to get flexible, see how we can still put on this show. And, I mean, that's kind of the nature of what we do. We shoot from the hip and keep it moving. Show must go on, right? So, plan B. Well, we did it. We did it. Even the banged out the show, worked around the issues. Let's see what else we can get into today. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know why we were playing. When I said we don't know what we're getting into, you already know what we're getting into. This is just for now. But we got more. It's all right. Look at that. Just turn around. It'll be there. I know it might look basic, but it's not. So don't judge off this appearance right now. Just give it a minute. Still cooking. Oh, the smoke. Oh.
King's Hawaiian. By the label.
Yes, sir.
Catch the label.
Toast these things up. Can't see. So our burgers, pretty exquisite. Had a lot on it, just seen. This one though, so sad.
So I put fries in the middle, and so whenever I got to the middle, I had fries with the cheese and the meat, and it was really good.
But what else is on it? Like, what is on your burger?
Meat and cheese and fries.
Meat, cheese, and fries. We have all those toppings over there.
I like mine plain.
Oh, she likes it plain.
Yeah.
But guess what?
She wears short skirts, I'm wearing t-shirts, she's cheer captain.
And you can switch it to ukulele as well if you want, but I know you got the guitar. The guitar.
I know what you're looking for has been here the whole time, and you can see.
I don't know the rest. Okay, I might know the rest, but dinner, amazing. And closing out the night with the drink. Got the fellas working on music. Yeah, this ain't a hobby for us, man. Like, this is what we do. And so I won't show too much of it. But this is how we closing out the night. Right here. Yeah, they getting it. Get it, Kalani. Watch out, world. It's going down. That's what happens when the drink comes. Main event. We got a special surprise. Special surprise.
Practicing.
Once we get the game set up, this is real world, y'all. This is going down. Check me out.
You so slow. Go.
Yeah. Get it. Get it.
Let it go.
That's you? Oh, wait.
Yeah. You choose what you want to
So you saw it here first. Timberlake, you need backup dancers. We got you. And that brings us to this point right here.
That brings us to Super Bomberman.
We get out here, and as you done seen, we got some drinks going, and totally forgot I didn't do an intro for the video. So that's how that whole started with Damn It Dan at the very beginning. But yeah, I mean, y'all done seen the videos. This is just what we do. This is the everyday life. Tell them what's up, man. Yeah, I mean that's.
Mahana, this is how we get down.
It's just a family, y'all. We do the shows, we kick it, eat good,
Don't
good
stop there.
times, and it never stops. So I mean, yeah, a lot of fun on the video games, good on the food. So hope y'all enjoyed this one. Just another day. So until next time, y'all, we'll be back with more. So thanks for coming through.
So if you enjoyed the video, you can watch more content like this here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.